Hi. Hello. Welcome to this amazing new segment called Rapping with Reagan. So today I'm going to a cookie decorating party at my dad's cousin's house. She's the best person in the world. I love her so much. She's so funny. And then her kids are twins. They're so cute. I love playing with them. And may all your Christmases be one. 'Cause I am dreaming of a white Christmas. It's a glitter ribbon. I hate glitter. I've been having this pain in my wrist, not my wrist, my hand. And so what I think it is, my sister doesn't think it's this, is when we were in, I think it was Singapore, but I was really little, I was taking these little rocks out of the baby pool because I was like, why are there pebbles in here? And I put my hand down, and since my hands were in the water for a while, they were like squishy, and the rock went through my hand, so there's like a little rock in my hand. Yeah, so I think that the rock is coming back to haunt me and is moving around, because I can feel it move, so I'm just like, but I could just have arthritis. You never know. Done.
By that, but this was adorable. They were all so cute. Look at how cute in the tree.
They're ugly, all of them.
Oh,
I don't even know. I don't know what that is.
that's
This
a girl.
This is dead. This is a dead bird. This is a sheep.
A sheep. That's adorable.
That got smudged.
That got smudged.
This is a mess.
No,
That's
but
a
you know, I
mess.
thought that was a swirly
This
thing.
one's ugly. This
No,
one's ugly.
because look at the scarf.
Look at the scarf.
Look how
Ugly.
good the scarf is.
Those ones are okay. These ones are great. Except for the poop one, it got messed up.
Oh, it lost something.
It lost its eyeballs. What's your wingspan?
Huh?
No, I'm looking.
Look.
It's so cute. There's dinosaurs.
It's raining.
It's raining? Oh, great. That's superb.
It's raining.
We're at the zoo lights.
Look at the snake.
Where? Oh, pretty.
Oh, pretty.
That's so cool. It's a snake. It looks like me. Julie.
It looks like
I love that.
They are cute. Oh yeah, they're really cute.
Oh, lay down. Yeah. No, don't lay down on it. Here's one right here. Oh, look at him.
Show off.
Wipes them all out. It's not right.
Yeah. Yeah, but you don't want to kill a bunch of seals.
Well, what are you gonna do with them? They come back. You can't. You can take them clear out to sea, throw them in, and they come back.
Oh, that's a shame. Yeah. There's Humpty Dumpty. I just said it was Alice in Wonderland.
Well, I have my muffs on.
The muffs. There's a hole. What do you think?
That's pretty cool. Just a second.
You take one of me, right?
Yeah. Oh, they're so cute.
Look at it's freaking bats.
It's okay.
No.
Grammy
No.
doesn't want to be in the outro.
I do too, but not like this.
Okay, well,
I will say goodbye from here.
okay, say goodbye, Grammy.
Goodbye, Grammy. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Okay, well, thanks for watching. Leave a like and a comment and subscribe. And today's shout out goes to, drumroll, Gayatri. Okay, have fun in India. Bye.